Welcome to this video on the Subject Management Tool. This video will explain what a GUID is and demonstrate how to create GUIDs using the Subject Management Tool. The Global Unique Identifier, or GUID, is a random sequence of characters that allows researchers to share data specific to study participants. Personally Identifiable Information, or PII, undergoes one-way encryption or hashing before being shared with the centralized GUID system as hash codes. Those hash codes are stored in the database and associated with the randomly generated GUID. PII is never transmitted or stored outside of the collection sites. This one-way hashing means that PII cannot be recovered from the GUID. Since PII for a participant will not change, this allows correlation of participants across studies. A GUID is required for a subject's data to be submitted. The following PII is required to generate a GUID. Complete legal given first name of subject at birth. If the subject has a middle name, then their middle name. Complete legal family last name of subject at birth. Day of birth, month of birth, year of birth, name of city or municipality in which the subject was born, and the country of birth. The GUID client software is a web-based JavaScript application that is accessible directly through your internet browser. In order to access the GUID tool and create GUIDs, we must log into our account and navigate to the Subject Management module. Now I'll provide a demonstration of using the Subject Management module and GUID tool to create a single GUID, multiple GUIDs through a batch upload, and searching to see if a GUID exists or not. First, navigate to your operations page and log in. Click the Subject Management module. The first table that appears is a list of your subjects with GUIDs you registered. In order to add a single subject, click either Create Subject in the left navigation menu or Add Subject button. Once the page is loaded, we may need to click Agree to the data privacy terms. The following functions are available. Create a GUID. This function generates a valid GUID provided the minimum required PII is available. This module uses a one-way hash function to convert the PII to a unique global GUID for each subject. Convert a pseudo GUID. This will allow the user to convert a pseudo GUID to a GUID by providing the required PII for that subject. Search a GUID or pseudo GUID. This allows users to validate if a GUID or pseudo GUID exists in the system or not. To create a single GUID, click Create a GUID. Enter the required PII information in both columns. Click the Generate GUID button. The GUID is now available under the My Subjects section. Here you can view which users have also registered this subject. You can find related GUIDs, datasets where the subject has been used, and subject history. Now I will demonstrate how to create multiple GUIDs at the same time. You can either click the Manage Multiple Subjects in the left navigation bar or the Add Multiple Subjects button. In order to create multiple GUIDs, we must first download and populate the GUID batch template CSV file. Here's an example where I've filled out the batch template CSV file to generate 3 different GUIDs. When we have completed the batch file, we can now load it. A status will be generated indicating if the GUID has successfully been generated or if there is a warning or error. If you wish, you can use the download button to download these results. The new GUIDs will appear in the My Subjects section. Now let's search to see if a GUID exists already. Click Search GUID, type in the GUID you wish to search, and click Check to see the results. This concludes the brief tutorial on use of the Subject Management Module and GUID tool. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact your operations team. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.